Addiction is a silent struggle that affects millions of people worldwide. It can grip individuals from all walks of life, regardless of age, gender, or social status. Countless lives have been shattered by the devastating effects of addiction, leaving families torn apart and communities reeling. However, there is hope. The Bible, a source of inspiration and guidance for many, holds powerful truths that can help unmask the grip of addiction. Through its verses, we can find strength, encouragement, and a path towards healing. The silent struggle, unmasking the battle of addiction. Addiction is a battle fought behind closed doors, often hidden from the prying eyes of society. It thrives on secrecy and shame, making it even more challenging for those struggling to seek help. Substance abuse, gambling, pornography, and other forms of addiction take their toll on individuals, leaving them feeling isolated and powerless. However, shedding light on this silent struggle is the first step towards breaking free from its grip. By openly discussing addiction, we can create a supportive environment where individuals feel safe to seek help and embark on the journey to recovery. The battle of addiction is not limited to the physical and mental aspects, it also affects one's spirituality. Addiction can lead individuals astray from their faith, leaving them feeling disconnected from God and their purpose in life. Recognizing the spiritual void is crucial in unmasking the grip of addiction. By acknowledging the spiritual aspect of addiction, individuals can seek solace in their faith and find the strength to overcome their struggles. Turning to the Bible, a timeless source of wisdom, can provide the guidance needed to reclaim their spiritual connection and break free from the chains of addiction. Biblical Truths Unveiled. Bible verses expose the grip of addiction. The Bible offers a wealth of verses that shed light on the grip of addiction and provide hope for those struggling. One such verse is 1 Corinthians 10 verse 13, which states, "No temptation has overtaken you except what is common to mankind. And God is faithful, He will not let you be tempted beyond what you can bear. But when you are tempted, He will also provide a way out so that you can endure it." This verse emphasizes that although the battle of addiction may seem insurmountable, God provides a way to resist temptation and find strength to overcome it. Another powerful verse that exposes the grip of addiction is Romans 12 verse 2, which states, "Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Then you will be able to test and approve what God's will is, His good, pleasing and perfect will." This verse highlights the importance of renewing one's mind and breaking free from the patterns and influences of addiction. By seeking transformation through God's will, individuals can find the strength to overcome their struggles and embark on a journey towards healing. Furthermore, Ephesians 4 verses 22 to 24 states, "You were taught, with regard to your former way of life, to put off your old self, which is being corrupted by its deceitful desires, to be made new in the attitude of your minds, and to put on the new self, created to be like God in true righteousness and holiness." This verse emphasizes the need to let go of the old self tainted by addiction and embrace a new life rooted in righteousness and holiness. It offers hope that through God's transformative power, individuals can break free from the chains of addiction and find a renewed sense of self. Addiction may seem like an unconquerable enemy, but the Bible provides a guiding light to expose its grip and offer hope for recovery. By unmasking the battle of addiction and acknowledging its spiritual impact, individuals can find solace in the wisdom and truths of the Bible. Through verses that emphasize God's faithfulness, the importance of renewing one's mind, and the possibility of transformation, the Bible provides a roadmap towards healing and freedom from addiction. Let us remember that with faith, support, and determination, the grip of addiction can be overcome, leading to a brighter future for all those affected.